Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your lock screen wallpapers on your iPhone. Now you might have configured a lot of lock screen wallpapers when you just started using your iPhone. Now I'll teach you guys how to delete those, but before that, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So first what you'll have to do is go to your lock screen, or you can just scroll down from above and go to your notification section. Now after you're there, just long press on the middle and you'll get to swipe and select your wallpapers. Now in this section, just select the wallpaper that you want to delete and swipe up. Now let's say I want to delete this wallpaper, so I'll just swipe up and I'll see the delete option right there. Just select the delete option and just confirm this delete wallpaper. After you've confirmed it, you'll just delete the wallpaper and you no longer have it. So that is how you do it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.